Okay, let's continue. And then required test if the company's claim is false. And this is two-tailed z-test. The formula for z-test. Z is equal to x bar minus mean mu over sigma over square root of n. Substitute the given data. So we have 24,500 minus 25,000 over 1,200 over square root of 40. And the answer for Z is approximately equal to negative 2.63. The critical values at alpha 0.05 two-tailed is plus and minus 1.96. Since A is equal to negative 2.63 and is less than the critical values, which is negative 1.96, then we need to reject HO. The claim that the average lifetime is 25 hours is false. Next, practice problem number 2. The mean exam score of a national test is 75. A sample of 20 students from a certain school has an average of 78 with S is equal to 6 at alpha is equal to 0.01. Is there enough evidence that this school performs differently? So the population mean mu O is 75. The sample mean x bar is 70. And then the sample size n is equal to 20. The sample standard deviation is equal to 6. Alpha is equal to 0.01. Required test if the school performs differently. And this is two-tailed t-test. We are asked to determine our solution for t-test. So using the formula, t is equal to x bar minus mu O over S divided by square root of n. T is equal to 78 minus 75 over 6 over square root of 20. Our T is approximately equal to 2.24. So the degrees of freedom df is equal to n minus 1. So we have 19. And the critical t, the t-tailed for alpha is equals to 0.01 and df is equal to 19 is equal to plus and minus 2.861. So the final answer, since t, which is equal to 2.24, is less than the 2.861, fail to reject HO. So there is not enough evidence at alpha equal to 0.01 that the school performs differently. Next, number 3. A soft drink manufacturer claims the average sugar content of its soda is 39 grams per can. A consumer group samples 35 cans and finds a mean of 37.8 grams. The sigma is equal to 2 grams and test the claim at alpha is equal to 0.05. The claim mean mu is equal to 39 grams. The sample mean x bar is equal to 37.8 grams. Our N is 35, sigma is 2 grams, alpha is 0.05. Required. Test if the claim is false, and using two-tailed z-test. So, let's obtain first the value of z. So, using the formula, z is equal to x bar minus min mu over sigma over square root of n. Substitute the given values. Our z value is approximately equal to negative 3.55. So the critical values at alpha is equal to 0.05 is plus and minus 1.96. The final answer, since A is negative 3.55 and is less than negative 1.96, reject HO. So the claim that the average sugar content is 39 grams is false. Number 4. A new drug is tested to reduce blood pressure. In a sample of 15 patients, the mean reduction was 12 mm mercury with S equal to 4. Test at alpha is equal to 0.05 if the drug reduces blood pressure by more than 10 mm mercury. So we're given N is equal to 15. X bar is 12 mm mercury. S is equal to 4. Our HO, the mean is equal to 10. Our H1, mu is greater than 10. And our alpha is equal to 0.05. Required. Test if drug reduces BP by more than 10 mm mercury. So our solution, using the formula, T is equal to X bar minus min mu O over S over square root of N. Substituting the given data, the answer is 1.9365. And our DF is 14. And then one-tailed, our P is equal to 1 minus F1. So 1.9365 and then 41, which is equal to 0.03663. Final answer. Since P is 0.03663, which is less than 0.05, reject HO. Conclude the drug reduces BP by more than 10 millimeter mercury and is significant. Number 5. The average height of adult males in a country is 170 centimeter. A sample of 25 males from a certain region has a mean height of 172 with S equal to 5. Test at alpha is equal to 0.05 if the regional mean is significantly different. Given N is 25, X bar is 172, S is equal to 5, the mean O is equal to 170, the mu O, and then alpha 0.05. Required. Test if regional mean differs from 170. So, using the formula for T, so we have T is equal to 172 minus 170 over 5 over square root of 35. So the answer is 2. Our DF is 24. So we have a two-sided. So our P is equals to 2 times 1 minus F1 of 2 and then 24. So the answer is 0.05694. So the final answer, P is equal to 0.05654 is greater than 0.05. Fail to reject HO. No significant difference at alpha is equal to 0.05. Number 6. Two brands of batteries are tested for lifespan. Brand A, N is equal to 30, has a mean of 8.2 hours and S equal to 0.9. Brand B, N is equal to 30, has a mean of 7.8 hours. S is equal to 1.2. Test at alpha is equal to 0.05 if there is a significant difference between the two brands. So we're given brand A, N is 30, X bar is 8.2, S1 is 0.9. Brand B, N2 is 30, X2 bar is 7.8, then S2 is equal to 1.1, and then alpha 0.05, and required test if means differ. So solution using Wells. So T is equal to 8.2 minus 7.8. That's X1 bar minus X2 bar over the square root of 0.9 squared over 30 plus 1.1 squared over 30. That is equal to 1.5415. The Wells DF is equal to 55.81. So, using two